The error of this phone is that the device does not wake up even after power on, and it is auto-restarting. In some phones, if the charger is plugged in, the device wakes up, and when the charger is removed, it automatically restarts. On this phone, even with the charger plugged in, it is auto-restarting. Let's see how to solve it. Now, I hope you will know how to solve auto-restarting phones. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video.